Hey there everyone, it's Marlena Burton. Super excited and grateful to be here to share with you really quickly how to start breaking those chains of unbelief and start allowing abundance to flow in every area of your life. So I love to hear the geese, and the geese are flying over at this very moment. So anyway, in Ho'oponopono, we have learned that everything is data, okay? Whether it's memories, negative thoughts, negative feelings, it's all just data, okay? So I made a post the other day that I happily surrender all data to the divine, okay, to God. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Whiteboard, whiteboard, whiteboard. It is finished, okay? In that moment, it is finished, okay? So maybe that's not your consciousness that it's finished already, okay? But if you can get to the place where you allow it to be done at that moment, we don't handle it. We don't take care of it. We surrender it, okay? And so that's why we take personal responsibility for the things that show up in our experience, okay? So today I decided I was just going to surrender all of my businesses to the divine. I have several businesses, and so one of my teams today, 2,700 plus people are on that team. And so my goal and my vision is to help 5,000 people live a lifestyle of abundance, okay? And so I'm on my way, halfway there actually, and that is so exciting to me, just to help people. And so some people are sending me their ahas and their wins, and I really appreciate that because I really like celebrating with other people when they are changing their lives in a very simple way. And so just give yourself permission. Know that abundance is our birthright. And so how would I do this when I'm using the whiteboard? I just want to show you really quick what I do. So I could have a lot of different things on my mind about my team, okay, or about businesses. And what I want to do is just pause and let all of that stuff go, okay? And just like I said, I happily surrender all of my businesses to God, okay? And so thank you, thank you, thank you is what wipes off the whiteboard and takes all the stress, all the worry, all that away. And when I say I surrender it, I let it go, and I allow the divine to lead. I allow the divine to clean out that negativity, all that kind of stuff, on one mind, one accord, and watch things work, okay? I take inspired action. So I was telling a business friend this morning, I said I was thinking of a lady, went into this business group, first person I saw was her. And so I was going to post on her wall. Before I posted on her wall, she posted on mine. And so that's what you call inspired action. So I knew from within that that's what I should have done. So anyway, one time my friend Marion, I woke up and Marion was on my mind. I didn't call her. Lo and behold, later on my phone rings. Guess who it is? It's Marion. I answered the phone just laughing because I knew that I should have called her when that was on my heart. So anyway, keep doing your gratitude practice. I've been doing that since the 1st of April. Guys, gratitude is just one of the big keys. By grace, everything's already done. Gratitude, you receive it, is done already. And it's just so much fun. So let me know if I can help you in any way. My number is 618-223-6006. My website is marlenab.clearlythebest.com. Thank you so much. God bless you, your family, and all of creation with love and abundance beyond belief.